understand that the maid of honor and the best man have prepared a little something for us.
Nora and Daniel, we love you. And we wanted to find a way to bless your wedding.
And we hope you like it.
One day I'll say your name without a doubt or question in my soul. In your way, you'll feel the same. We'll reach that place together. I know. And my heart has come true, 'cause you're standing here beside me, the way no one has stood for me before. This time, with a silent revelry and a rush of pure emotion, today I come to know that you stand for me. And I look at you